Madam.
A remarkable memoir titled A Saint in Black Robes captured the essence of his extraordinary man. A description.
KCR has two families. One is VC Rajagopalachari family. The other one is VCR Advocates family. We all belong to the Advocates family. Those
Punjab and Haryana High Court as well as the Madras High Court. Your presence today is a tremendous privilege and we eagerly anticipate your address. I would also like to extend a special welcome to our beloved founder and chancellor Dr. G. Vishwanathan sir.
95. Now it is 130.
Yet, I believe that 60% litigation is by the government. Even though the current Chief Justice has flagged mediation as a way forward, unless the government comes forward, does not unnecessarily carry in appeals, solves problems, smaller problems. No system can absorb and accept such a volume of litigation. My experience of visiting an exchange program with US and the UK was that a large percentage of cases are settled. So in California, which faced a similar problem as we are facing in 1982, today, right till 2000 when I went there, 97% plus cases are sorted through mediation, arbitrations, plea bargaining and other settlement mechanisms. Less than 3% cases go to trial. In India, 99.9% cases go to trial, and then you want to carry them in appeals further. And I'm very clear, the government is one of the largest investors in this continued litigation. So unless we settle that, this is going to be a problem. See, as was being said, it does help lawyers, but that's all. There's a cartoon I saw. There's a Viking king. He has his palace, a smaller palace on the ground. There's another large palace on the hill. He said, this one belongs to me, that one belongs to my lawyer. That's not what the system is supposed to be doing. The positive aspects are something which he touched upon, women lawyers. Today, 1/3 people being recruited to subordinate judicial service and competitive exam are women across the country. In Delhi, the last recruitment I did was in 2013-14. They had 73% women, far exceeding. My own alma mater was an all-men's college till 1975. St. Stephen's College in 75 permitted women to be admitted. Today, more than 50% are women. So, I keep saying that maybe men will lose reservation after some stage. We have to, of course, while doing this, can't expect people in this technology age to wait for years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years as was being talked about. Yet people must settle. It was touched upon something which this family faced. I truly felt as a judge that here were people who have contributed so much to society. Why should we be embroiled in a litigation? The longest pending cases are family partitions and probate matters under will, which shows that where personal family members are involved, something more than money gets involved, which is personal intimacies, egos, so many other things. I can share if I were to succeed with the help of a mediator, it is because Dr. Vishwanathan, I called upon him, you are the father. You have created this. Sometimes you have to give even to estranged sons or other people. He came forward. do it. And I told his son, you must accept with humility because it is the father's creation. That I think it is his approach which has helped in creating a scenario where the institution is free to concentrate on what they are doing, contributing on the development of education, rather than contributing to law and legal field and contributing to their lawyers. That money is going into education, I think. I think another aspect, lastly, I would say is, yes, issues of privacy, issues of empowerment, issues of free speech are dear to my heart. I've written them in various forms, whether it's paintings on MF or the authorship of Periban Morgan, which I got an opportunity to pen down the judgment when I was in the Madras High Court. It's something to preserve. An American author said that people who sacrifice essential liberty for the sake of temporary safety deserve neither liberty nor safety. These are not alternatives. So, liberty and democracy, when we talk about, is preserved by the people. You are the people who elect the people, who are supposed to be accountable to you, and you have to make them accountable in the process. So that's the only way democracy moves forward. May you all be inspired by the legacy of VCR, and may your contribution advance not just to your careers, but the welfare of all humanity.